Guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone's doing well. Today I want to do this get ready, like chit chat, get ready with me type of video, and I want to play around with some old favorites of mine, and hopefully we can try to do this cute green smoky glittery eye look using this Revlon Photo Ready eye art. So it has like this cute like a green liquid eyeshadow. That's how it looks. It's really pretty. And then the other side, it has this cute glitter. That's the glitter. So I really want to try this. I have a bunch of other products that I've been just recently loving. And yeah, I already did my brows off the camera. I used the, I don't even know what I used. Oh yeah, I used this pencil right here. It's the Pop Beauty Peak Performance Brow Pencil in Natural Brunette. The pencil has a little spoolie. I don't know where the cap is for that. And then, you know, the little like definer pencil. And then let me just swatch it for you guys what the color is. It's like a really pretty brunette color. That's what I have on my brows. And yeah. I guess let's get started with the eyeshadow first. Let me put my little cat ears on and we'll get started. Alright guys, I'm back with my little kitten ears. These are so cute. I got them at Ulta. Alright, so like I said, we're going to get started off with the eyeshadow first. I'm going to be using the Morphe 35M eyeshadow palette. I'm going to be using these cute green eyeshadows right over here because we're trying to do like a smoky green eye look. And then let me just quickly prime my lids with the Maybelline New York Fit Me Concealer in 5 right here. So I'm gonna quickly, you know, cover up the dark circle, not even dark circles, it's like the veins on my lids. This is such a nice concealer and it's very affordable as well. I believe it's like $5 at what the hell is it called? Walmart. Actually, let me grab a different concealer that has a little bit more full coverage because I really want to like cover up everything that's on my lids. So let me just grab my e.l.f. concealer. I have the e.l.f. concealer in a shade Fair Warm. I'm just going to put a little bit of this because I feel like this has a little bit more coverage than the other concealer. The other concealer is really good underneath the eyes, but for you know, when I'm doing like my makeup looks and stuff, I really like to use this e.l.f. Camo Concealer because it's just so full coverage and just makes the eyeshadow go on really smoothly. I'm not really too worried about the brows. I'm going to fix them up later. And then let me just blend this as well. Alright, so my eyelids are prepped. Let me just put some chapstick on my lips, and my lips are super dry. I'm using the Sugar Advanced Therapy Lip Treatment in Fresh. This is the little cute packaging. Oh, look how this makes my lips feel. And then I'm going to go in with this shade right over here. And I really wanted to take like a small like packing brush. Let me just... And then I'm going to, you know, just slowly just kind of try to rub that concealer in. So there's no crease lines. And then let me just pack that eyeshadow on. I'm gonna slowly try to like gently blend it. Just like that. I don't want to blend it too much because then I know sometimes with the Morphe eyeshadows, they tend to get a little patchy. I'm just gonna keep packing this shit on. Let me take that shade right next to it, the lighter shade, And I'm just gonna blend that over the top. Just try to smoke this out and blend it out. It's more so we don't have any like harsh lines or anything. Alright, I think that's all for that shade. And then let me take this, you know, the Revlon, like a liquid shadow. And I'm going to try to apply it with this. And then if that doesn't work, I'm going to take like a brush. Alright, and I'm going to try to put that on top, like, of the lid. Ooh, that's such a pretty color. I really wonder how this is gonna last though. I'm gonna try to do like a cut crease type of look. Alright, that's all for that green shade. And then let me take that same brush we used earlier and I'm going to grab into the darker shade of the green. And then just try to blend those two shades in. Really freaking pretty. Wow. Look at that. And I'm going to use that glitter side. And I'm going to put it like right in the crease right here. If that works. Alright, I'm going to leave that like that. And let me take a little bit more of that green shade. Try to clean this up a little bit. What do you guys think? I think so far it came out really good. Alright, so let me quickly finish the other eye of the camera and then I'm gonna put some lashes on and we're gonna finish up rest of the face real quick. Be right back. Alright guys, I'm back with the eyes finished. Let me do a little close up. This came out really pretty. And then the lashes I'm wearing is the Pure by Barbie lashes. These are literally like, I've been wearing these like every single day, like not kidding. Like if you check my Instagram and all that, these are like the only lashes I freaking wear. Sorry, I keep looking this way because like my computer is over here. So I'm trying to just double check that I'm focused. But anyway, like this came out really cute. I love it. So for the foundation, foundation and primer, but the primer specifically, I'm going to be using the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip primer. I haven't used this in a while because I've been actually using the e.l.f. Cosmetics Jelly Pop primer, which is a dupe for this one, and it's only like, I think like, I believe it's less than $10. I know that. I think it's like 6 or 7 to be exact. But they both pretty much do the same thing. I slightly like the Milk primer a little bit better, but if you don't feel like paying almost $40 for a primer, try out the Jelly Pop from e.l.f. Cosmetics, because it's pretty much the same thing. Like I feel like this one's less sticky. It kind of like sinks into your skin a little bit more and like grips it, but you know, you guys get the gist. Alright, so that's all for the primer, and then for the foundation, I'm going to use my, literally, like I use this shit every single day. My favorite foundation of all time is the L'Oreal Visible Lift Blur Foundation. I used to be obsessed with the Maybelline Superstay Foundation, but I feel like, I don't know, lately I've been wearing more of like dewy foundations instead of like super like mattifying foundations. They're like completely full coverage. And I'm going to take my Morphe sponge and I'm going to take a little bit of that foundation and start blending it in. See, like this is what I mean by the coverage of this foundation. It's really pretty. And then for the concealer, we're going to use the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in 5. I'm gonna put that underneath my eyes. So just kind of brighten everything up. I'm just gonna blend that in. This is such a like nice coverage. Like it's not too like completely full coverage. It just kind of adds like a nice like, I don't know, finish to it. Ooh, this is so pretty. And then for the powder, I'm going to use the Ciate London Extraordinary Translucent Powder. And I'm only going to use this underneath my eyes to just brighten everything up. And then I'm going to use a different powder for the rest of the face. So let me just tap in with this powder. I'm going to use the back of the sponge and just gently like place it underneath my eyes. You can look up for this. I'm gonna put some on my chin as well to kind of just brighten the face. And then for the rest of the face, we're gonna use the Maybelline Fit Me Translucent, actually loose finishing powder in light. And I'm just gonna use my Morphe powder brush for that. I'm just gonna dig in and just kind of press this into the skin. The face set, I'm gonna use my I don't know, what bronzer should we use today? For the bronzer, we're going to use the Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula. And I'm going to take my brush, and I'm just going to bronze up my face. This is literally one of my favorite drugstore bronzers ever. It smells really good as well. Alright, so that's all for the bronzer. And then for the blush, we're going to go in with the Milani Blossom of Rose blush. This is the packaging. And then I'm just going to go in with my Luxie 522 tapered brush. And I'm just going to place this on my cheeks. This is really nice blush for the fall. Alright, so that's all for the blush. I'm going to get rid of this loose powder under my eye. I feel like I want more of like a peachy blush though. Give me 1 second. So I'm going to use the NYX blush palette, and I really want to use this orangey blush that's right in here. I'm just going to dig in. Oh yeah, that's better. That's exactly what I wanted with this look. Alright, so that's all for the blush. And then for the highlighter, I'm going to use the Ofra Highlight in Rodeo Driver over here. Okay, so my camera shut off, so I'm not sure where we finished. But anyway, just in case, I'm using the Ofra Highlighter in Rodeo Drive. And then for the blush, I use the NYX palette, and I use this like a pretty orangey, peachy shade. And then for the highlight, you know, I'm applying this right on my high points of my face, my nose, and then my upper lip, my cupid bow right here. Alright, so that's all for the highlight. And then let me spray some Pixie by Petra Glow Mist with Oregon Oil. Oh wow, I just completely missed my face. Jesus Christ. I just ate some. Alright, so that's all for the face. And then finally, the last thing is my lips. So for the liner, we're going to use the LA Girl Perfecto Precise lip liner in Bare. And I'm going to line my lips. Alright, so that's all for the lip liner. And then for the lipstick, we're going to use the Milani liquid lipstick in Stunning. And the number is 38. And then this is the Milani like liquid, like matte lipstick. It's going to look cute. This almost reminds me of that Smashbox lipstick we used in my last video, which you guys should check out right over there. So that's all for the lips. What do you guys think? I think this makeup look came out really freaking cute. Too bad, and once again, I had nowhere else to go. But I am filming 2 more videos right after this, so you guys turn on that notification bell thing right over there on top, so you can get notified every time I post a new video. So yeah, I don't even feel like doing my hair. These ears look so cute, but I can't be wearing that, I guess. Ooh, I look rough. I have to like wash my hair and re-dye it soon. So yeah, this is all for the finished look. It came out really pretty, especially the eye makeup. Like, I'm in love with this. I would totally recommend this for you guys if you want to try it out. And yeah, don't forget to check out my Instagram, which is Simi_Violet. Subscribe to my channel if you want to, you know, and if you like what you see, I guess. Give this video a thumbs up, and yeah, I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!